just to refresh. And in addition to that refresh from those DML languages, our primary objectives for today are aggregate functions, categorizing those aggregate functions, logical operators, and let me make sure. Yeah, aggregate functions, categorizing those aggregate functions, and logical operators. So to start out today, let's get into a refresh from our conversation from our last session. So last session, we focused on those DML languages, that data manipulation language, those primary components that you do when you navigate within SQL. And those 4 DML languages were select, insert, update, and delete. And primarily, it's good to remember that everything that we do within SQL goes back to tables. You're always retrieving from a table, inserting data into a table, updating or deleting an existing table. Select here is where we retrieve the data from the database. Select